right. I could sure get used to this, guys. Palantir stock went up over 7% on the day today, heading into tomorrow, which, if you guys didn't know, it's the AI Pecan, I think the 6th straight AI Pecan for the company. We're going to break that down later in the video, and we'll also break down the charts here on Palantir, the indexes, where I see things going moving forward. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below, and once you deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer, and the clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And now, cheers, take a sip of your coffee, and let's dive into it. So again, 7% green day for Palantir today, and the stock showed a lot of strength. You guys can see we opened up at about $83-ish per share, and by the way, we uptrended all pre-market, and this is where the strength was showed. We dumped at about, 11 a.m. East Coast time. We got down to about $79, so we sold off about 5% intraday at that point. And what happened, guys? Buyers came in, and we then rallied for the rest of the day, pretty much closing at $84 per share, a little bit under that. And you guys can kind of see here an ascending triangle, which I think we actually had that on the intraday yesterday as well. So we're noticing a bullish pattern on the intraday heading into tomorrow. Higher lows are being made into this $84 resistance. My alert's at 85. As you guys can see, if that breaks, we could be going even higher. And with AI Pecan tomorrow, who knows what's going to come out of that and how the stock could react. Needless to say, guys, I'm freaking pumped. And on the 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see now we're testing the highs from last week, or was that Monday? No, that was on Friday and Monday, I guess. Monday pre-market, we hit $84, $85. Friday, we hit that as well. So talk about a recovery here. We hit $70 on Monday in the aftermarket, and now we're up 20% off that low. We have a golden cross here on the 5-day, 5-minute, and we're really one resistance point away being $85 between us now and $90 to $92, which could be the next gap to fill here if we break out of $85. And as I pull the layers back a bit more, we have a golden cross in the making here on the 30-minute chart, and on the 1-hour chart, you guys can see we don't have a golden cross yet, but we are slightly above both moving averages. And if I draw out this trend line, this will show you that, okay, the next gap to fill, like I said, is $90 to $92, which that was the high on the 5th of March, 3rd of March, end of February as well. So this could be where we go for all we know tomorrow, right? Or at some point, later this week, next week, depending on obviously AI Pecan and how the overall stock market plays out, which today was a good day. Like I said, every index except for the Dow went up. We had the VIX down 10%. A great day for the VIX, guys. We never want to see it elevated too much unless you're a day trader and, you love the intraday volatility. I like the VIX to be down, under 20 ideally. But hey, we're at 24 still, but we came down 10%. That's a start, in my opinion. So my alert's set at $85 here on PLTR, guys. I'm telling you, if that breaks, 90, 92 is where we could be going. So let me pull up Safari very quickly. And by the way, guys, join my free email list while I do it. I send out my top stocks weekly right to your inbox, guys, again, for free. That's linked down below. So Palantir's latest wave of customers takes center stage at AIPCon. So let me zoom in here a little bit, and there will be a live stream starting, I think, 20 minutes before. Let's see what this link takes us to. I think it takes us to YouTube, right? Yeah, it takes us to YouTube. I don't want to get any volume coming at it or whatever. Actually, no, it's not even live yet. Duh, stupid Stas. But yeah, that link right there takes you to YouTube. So this is straight up on their investor relations page. So it looks like here, Palantir announced today that it will host its 6th AIPCon on Thursday, March 13th, with exclusive content available for online viewers starting 20 minutes before the start of the live stream. And new customer announcements, get ready for this, guys, include Heineken. I know a lot of you guys know all about Heineken, right? Walgreens, R1 RCM, Racetrack, Ripcord, and more. The next wave of Warp Speed customers will also showcase how they are reindustrializing American manufacturing, including Redcat, Sail Drones, Saranic, SNC, and Ursa Major. Other customer speakers include AT&T, Anduril, TWG Global, Lennar, KKR, Owens Corning, Delta Airlines, L3 Harris, Parexel, and let's see, Wendy's, QSCC, JD Power, and many, many more. Like I said, this will be available via live stream on Thursday, March 13th, which, wait a second, did they even give us a time? I guess if I click this link, let's see here, guys, it'll say a start time, right? Yeah, 12:40 Eastern Standard Time, 12:40. So yeah, that makes sense. So it's going to start at 1 p.m. The live streams 20 minutes before for an exclusive content. Yeah, sure. So 1 p.m. East Coast time, guys. Get ready. The 6th AIPCon for Palantir. It's going to be big, and I'm excited about it. And of course, we'll break down everything you need to know from that here on this channel. So make sure to subscribe as we're on the road to 100,000 subs. And I'm going to click notify me on this so I don't forget about it, which I won't forget about it. But, there's a lot of craziness going on. I might forget about it. You never know. So that is what you guys need to watch out for tomorrow. And who knows, if we get a green day in stocks for the overall stock market, maybe some, insights from the AIPCon, from these customers, from the new customers as well. This could end up sparking another rally. Maybe this rally continues. We're up 20% off the $70 low. Maybe we continue this. If 85 breaks, if we start filling the gap to 90, 92, we could be getting a lot more upside. So what do you guys think about that? I'm curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments as always. And let me show you now quickly these indexes, which, guys, they're not breaking out. Even though we had a green day, they're not breaking out yet. Nowhere near it, quite frankly. But hey, we had a green day in SPY, up 0.5%, although it was a rocky day for SPY. And we can see on this 30-minute chart, we're still very much so in a downtrend under the 180 SMA. And on QQQ, we're noticing that as well. We got rejected at this 180 moving average on the 30-minute chart time and time again today, which you guys can see on the intraday. Man, how many times did we get rejected at 480? Many times. In the pre-market, at open, in the middle of the day, end of the day, heading into power hour. Yeah, that spot needs to break. So for the indexes here, guys, QQQ and SPY mostly, which is what we break down mostly here on the channel, we need to break out of 480. 483 on QQQ, this downtrend, this trend line, and SPY's got to break out of, let's see, what level is SPY at? 565, 570, yeah, so we're going to have to get out of there. We're going to need to start pushing here, guys, but who knows, man? It's still volatile territory here. Who knows what's going to happen with Trump, the trade war, tariffs. It's not over yet. So brace yourselves, maybe for more downside or maybe for a breakout here. It really could go either way. And at this point, the bears are still in charge based on the short-term chart. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks using that link down below. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.